Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 60 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is how technology has changed communication. So let's start. So, what does communication means? It means how we express our ideas, how we express our thoughts, and how we express ourselves to someone clearly so that they can understand our opinions, understand our views. So previously what used to happen that when there was no technology, previously what it was happened that people used to write letters. They used to wait for for the reply of letter. But now as technology has come, so we can just in WhatsApp messages by one click we can express our views, express our thoughts through WhatsApp messages, voice call, video call, or Telegram, or any other social media app. We can express ourselves easily. We can express our thoughts by posting reels. We can express our thoughts by doing post, or we can uh, post our pictures too. We can post our videos too in Instagram or Facebook, and we are able to connect with people across the world. Previously, talking charge was very expensive for people who are living far away from us, but now we can easily connect with people who live away from us, who are far away from us. But as it has many advantages, as technology has many advantages, it has disadvantages also, because everything has advantages and disadvantages also. So same as technology, it has also disadvantages, like proper relation is not there. They are people are connected but not emotionally connected. And why I'm saying, because what people used to do, they used to scroll reels, they used to spend time in watching movies, or they used to spend time in using phone, but they don't have time to sit together with their family members and talk face to face. They spend hours in talking to friends. This was the first disadvantages. And second disadvantage is that people it is making everything is not private. When we use technology, when we are using technology, our every data is on online digital platform, so everything is not private. And third disadvantage is, you can say, that misinformation. Many times it happen that wrong news gets circulate across the internet. And so these were some of the disadvantages of technology. Apart from that, there are some advantages also that I have told earlier. That is, it helps us to communicate with people who are living far away from us. It helps us to learn online. It helps us to communicate with any doubts. If students are having, they can communicate easily with teacher. Office employees or can easily work online, and they can communicate. Everything is easily available online with technology. But we should know how to use that technology, because technology is good, but it is not as good as you think. You have to know how to use it. So from all this I will conclude that yes, technology has changed communication very drastic way, in a very drastic way. And it depends on person to person how they use technology. It is really connecting us from people who are far away from us. And lastly I will say that last but not least, lastly I will conclude with this thought that technology can connect our devices, but our kindness, our understanding can connect our heart. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. And if you think that I have done some mistake, or if you have any doubt, you can comment me on comment box. I will be happy to answer that comment. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and have fun. That's all. Please like and subscribe.